Hey, how's it going today? Welcome back to my channel. So now we're going to start working on the air intake ducting. So right now you can see I've got the mass air sensor just kind of hose clamped right onto the throttle body, which is not ideal. It's too close to the throttle body. It needs to be farther downstream. So I'll be taking that off, running some hose couplers and some tubing, and that'll come down around here and across the front of the radiator ducting. The mass airflow sensor is going to be mounted somewhere right around in here, and then the hose will come off that and go right down into the air box. So let's get started on that. Here you can see I've got a bunch of aluminum tubes and some silicone connectors, hump hose, 90 mass airflow sensor, a bunch of hose clamps. I'm going to start piecing this together now. Okay, I've got a couple pieces of tubing cut to length. Got a hump hose here in the middle, splicer down here on this end. Right up here I've got a adapter splicing tube. So I'm just going to slide this stuff together. Okay, here I've got my mass airflow sensor, a couple splicer tubes on here, 120 degree elbow. Got another hose here to go across over to the other side. Another tube, I mean. And over here on this side, I've got my inlet air restrictor with a 90 degree elbow on it. This goes right down on top of the air box. Okay, there it is, roughed in. Of course, I got to put some more hose clamps. The mass air sensor, it has threaded holes underneath here, so I'm just going to drill holes in this tin and bolt it up from underneath. Goes across over here. And down into the air box. So like I said, I got to do some mounting here and there to secure it. A lot of hose clamps. That's it for the air intake system. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.